Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to collaborate on Craftify AI with a team member. We understand how much you might need to work together on some projects, and this will make it super easy for both of you to log into the same account and work on the same things. To get started, you're going to head over to your settings by choosing your name here and coming down to choose settings. You'll scroll down and you'll see business settings, and here you'll see team members. Here you can add a team member. Now, if you have a basic account, you can only add one team member. If you'd like to upgrade, you can get more. By choosing add member, you'll see this pop-up come up and you'll add their email address here and then choose if they're going to be a collaborator. Right now, it's only an option for them to collaborate. I'm just going to pop in my email. All right, and I'm going to add the member. Just so you know, this member can only be able to access the CRM and the crafts, but they cannot do billing. They cannot see any of the business settings. So you can also only work on your crafting with this member. Now, once you have clicked add member, they have received an email so that they can either accept or deny to be a collaborator. Here on the right hand side, you can choose the actions, and you can either choose to copy this invitation so you can send it in a different way, or you can resend the email in case it got lost, or you can withdraw the invitation completely. Now, I hope this was helpful for you to learn how to add a team member. Happy crafting!